Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got a pretty large box and it's actually a swing, I think. So here we go. Club Fun Hanging Rope Chair. Okay, so it's a chair, not a swing, and it's blue. Alright Marcus, are you ready to open this thing up?
Yep. Alright,
let's see what's inside of that thing. Whoa, dude, that thing is huge.
I know.
That's pretty big, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is a pretty huge swing, I think. Sure looks huge. Okay, so it comes with like this stick that's totally not straight. But I guess that doesn't really matter. There are like two pillow things. I mean, they're kind of thin, but they're pillowy. Not too bad, Marcus. And another pillow thing. So two pillows. And then you got this hammock looking style chair. So it's more like a hammock than anything. Oh, okay. So here's the rope, I guess, that connects between them. Anyway, so I'm guessing this goes here somehow. Both of these go together. And then both of these go together. And then this will be the top where you would hook it up from there. So this pole needs to go through these, so there's two grooves. We just got to figure out which one goes where. I'm guessing this one goes on the inside. Yeah, the chair goes in the inside, and then the main part that goes up goes on the outside. So I guess we just got to make sure that this is straight, which honestly I have no idea which way straight, and then we're just gonna push it through here, just like that. And now we're gonna do this side. The inside swing is on. Now we're going to put this main one on here. Just on the edge. Like that. There we go. And that's it. Marcus, how about you hold it so I can back up a little bit. And that's the chair. Dude, we gotta find something to hook that thing up to.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that could be a problem. Alright guys, so this is not what it was intended for, but we kind of just wrapped it around two palm trees over here in our backyard. And Marcus is falling asleep. Marcus, is that thing comfy? How's the pillows?
Okay. So soft.
Basically all we did is we used the top rope and just kind of went around the palm trees there. So it's just kind of hanging there. You can't really swing on it. What we need to do is get a hook. So the rope quality, I don't know, it looks kind of funny a little bit. And the whole chair had like kind of a smell to it, and when we unboxed it, there was a bunch of like lint flying around, so I guess it's from manufacturing. But overall, I would say it's pretty good. I mean, it's only $20, so I don't know if you can expect much out of $20. Here's a little bit closer shot of the material. That's the pillows there. This is the actual chair here. I think it's the same material. Not bad overall. I can definitely tell that if I got in this thing, this might rip. For the kids, it's fine. But I don't know if this would hold an adult, even though it says it's rated for. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this swing chair. Marcus is enjoying it. He doesn't even want to get out. Marcus, you don't want to get out?
No.
It's that good, huh? Okay, well, you enjoy yourself. So yeah guys, if you want to get this chair, or a chair like this, I'll leave a link in the description. It was only 20 bucks, so not too bad. If you had a hangover tree, you can definitely hang it on that really easily. Or even if you wanted to put it inside, you could do that. Alright guys, well thanks for watching this video. Check out our other videos. We do reviews on this channel. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Subscribe to see more. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Peace. I'm in the house, but Mark is still out there. He really likes that chair.